Hey guys, it's your boy Aqua215. Sorry, I've been busy, been swapping out this motor. The old motor decided to take a shit. It's my neighbor's car, my neighbor's kid's car, I should say. His kid was supposedly low on oil. He pulled it off on the side. His brother came to give him oil. Long story short, they added too much oil, spun a bearing, and yeah. So, I know I haven't been making videos of my lovely bike. Miss riding that thing. It's January, so hopefully weather breaks soon, which will probably not. We're supposedly getting snow this week, upcoming week, so hopefully that doesn't happen. It rains, weather breaks, and I can start riding and getting that onto the road. I miss riding that. My camera there we go, focuses. And then during summer, I gotta swap the motor out in that white Explorer, I should say. Sorry. My dad's Explorer. It's got the 5.0 in it from a Crown Vic. We want to swap the motor out to the original out of the Explorer. So I've been driving my truck around, gas guzzler. So it's one thing I can't wait to ride or get back out on the road. I've just been busy with this thing. This thing's been idling rough. This thing, the new motor, quote unquote new motor, has about 200,000 miles on it. That motor had 151,000. Don't know why that spun a bearing, and then this didn't, other than too much oil. So I've been working out in my neighbor's garage. Don't want to really focus too much on the garage since it's my neighbor's garage and yeah, it's a little dirty inside. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Miss making videos, miss riding that thing. And then, like I said, that will be this summer's new adventure. Never done a V8 before. Always worked on 4 cylinders, 6 cylinders, and 8 cylinders, but just never swapped out motors like that. So, stay tuned. I will be keeping you guys updated. Like I said, hopefully the weather breaks. It's January, middle of January. So, sun's not out, it's not warm enough, and yeah. Till next time. Hey guys, back again. Just on a quick note, I know my name on YouTube is Aqua512. I'm going to be switching it to a nickname that a buddy of mine used to call me back in automotive school. He used to call me Littlefoot. Yeah, he obviously, I'm 5'3", 5'4", and a lot of people are taller than me. Yeah, I don't take really too emotional on that, but he ended up getting killed years ago. I believe it was like 2 years after we graduated automotive school. So I'm gonna go with Littlefoot 215. Just kind of been thinking about it, and it's been emotional. He's a good buddy of mine. We used to have a car meets together. We used to drag race and all safely. We used to hang out. We used to be that car group where we used to take care of each other. So, if you see me riding around with Littlefoot 215 on my helmet or Littlefoot 215 on my bike, you'll know it's me. But I'm gonna end up switching my name on YouTube and go with that.